Can a project manager be an effective Scrum Master? Introduction. What does a project manager do, and what are PMS responsibilities? If you are going for a Project Management Certification (PMI) Agile Certified Practitioner course, then let's see what a project manager does and what it takes to become a good project manager. A project manager is the person who is directly liable for delivering a project in a specified time frame and on a predefined financial plan. So to be a good project manager, you will need to be an expert planner with the right set of skills for organizing resources and people. All of the business partners or project's stakeholders will look up to you to make sure what was assured is in fact delivered in a timely and economical manner. Project managers are responsible for day-to-day management tasks of the project and must be capable in managing the important criteria of a project, i.e. finance, schedule, scope, risk, resources, and quality. Project managers work on particular projects that have specific outcomes which have timely and monetary limits. Project managers' duties mainly include, but are not limited to, handling and modifying the project as and when necessary, monitoring the risks involved in a specific project and managing them, making certain the work is done to the right standard and quality, planning what needs to be done, prioritizing it, and who is going to do it, taking care of coordination between teams, motivating the team, making sure the project is running in a timely and monetary way, making certain the project delivers the expected outcomes as projected. How do managers get involved in Agile projects? Both product owners and product managers are key players in the Agile environment and are often crucial to the success of deployment. The purpose of product management is to work closely with product development and deal with the product requirements and direction based on customer feedback, market research, and growth ability. Product managers are often obscured in project management tasks associated with product launching, rather than interacting with market influencers and customers to make the most viable product. In the world of Agile development, there are supplementary roles which help to shift product managers out of the technical, tactical activities and into an outward-facing position where they interact and relate with the market, though it is not uncommon for product managers to take on the product owner's task. Agile product manager's objective is to work with customers and company headship to define the product course. He is responsible for representing the true voice of the customer. The best way to fully understand the customer's problems is to talk to customers, visit their sites, know their day-to-day business experience, and consult with their staff. By practicing this, a product manager will understand the customer's day-to-day struggles and will be able to identify features and functionality that will improve user experience. Without direct interaction with customers, it is not possible to completely understand a customer's needs and struggles. In addition, a product manager's responsibility varies from strategic activities, such as defining the product roadmap in arrangement with business objectives, to tactical actions that take place in sales, product support, and marketing. Scrum Master versus Project Manager. What are the differences between them? In Scrum, the most admired Agile methodology, the Scrum Master is above all responsible for keeping the Scrum team focused and motivated, and also safeguards them from distractions and provides instruction and guidance. The Product Manager is responsible for creating and defining the user stories based on customer struggles, developing the product roadmap, and carrying out market research. Here are some major differences. First, Project Manager manages the project's scope, timeline, and cost, in general quality of the project. A Scrum Master manages each Scrum to reach the project goals. Second, a project manager can manage various projects at a time. A Scrum Master is generally paying attention to a specific project team. Third, Scrum Master motivates the team members, assists in Scrum meetings and sprint planning. Project Manager manages the financial plan and analyzes risk management. Fourth, project managers focus on process and assign tasks to the team members. Scrum Master assists to develop team dynamics and acts as a servant leader if needed by the project. Fifth, Scrum Master is the facilitator and guides the product owner. On the other hand, Project Manager is a communicator between the team members and the management team. Sixth, Project Manager updates the management about the project progress and coordinates with other teams. Scrum Master helps in increasing the team bonding and motivates the team members.